Container gardening for beginners. Growing hope. One pot at a time. What if I told you that you don't need a big backyard, expensive equipment, or years of experience to grow your own food, flowers, and happiness? Sometimes, all it takes is a single container, a handful of soil, and the courage to plant a seed. In today's fast-paced world, many people dream of having a garden, but believe they don't have enough space. Maybe you live in an apartment. Maybe your yard is tiny. Maybe you think gardening is too complicated. The truth is, gardening isn't about how much land you have. It's about creating life wherever you are. Container gardening has become one of the easiest and most rewarding ways for beginners to start growing plants. Whether it's a tomato plant on a balcony, herbs on a windowsill, or colorful flowers on a porch, container gardening allows anyone to experience the joy of growing something from seed to harvest. And perhaps now more than ever, people are searching for ways to slow down, reconnect with nature, and create something meaningful with their own hands. Today, we're going to explore container gardening for beginners and discover how even the smallest space can become a place of beauty, growth, and hope. Why container gardening is perfect for beginners. Let's be honest, starting a traditional garden can feel overwhelming. You have to prepare the ground, deal with weeds, improve the soil, and often invest in tools and equipment. Container gardening removes many of those challenges. Containers give you control. You choose the soil, you choose the plants, you decide where they grow. If a plant needs more sunlight, simply move the container. If bad weather arrives, bring it indoors. This flexibility makes container gardening one of the most beginner-friendly ways to start gardening. And the best part? Mistakes become learning opportunities instead of disasters. Choosing the right container. One of the first questions beginners ask is, what kind of container should I use? The answer is simple. Almost anything can become a planter if it has proper drainage. Popular options include plastic pots, clay pots, wooden boxes, buckets, raised containers, hanging baskets. The most important thing is making sure water can drain out. Plants don't like sitting in soggy soil. Without drainage holes, roots can rot, and plants may die. Think of containers as homes for your plants. Just as people need comfortable living spaces, plants need containers that provide enough room to grow. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is using soil directly from the ground. Container plants need potting mix. Potting mix is lighter, drains better, and allows roots to breathe. Healthy soil is the foundation of a healthy garden. Imagine trying to build a house on a weak foundation. It wouldn't last long. The same principle applies to plants. Good soil gives roots the support they need to thrive. The best plants for beginners. Not every plant is ideal for first-time gardeners. Some plants are forgiving and easier to grow than others. Great beginner choices include herbs, basil, mint, parsley, chives, vegetables, tomatoes, lettuce, peppers, green onions, flowers, marigolds, petunias, zinnias, sunflowers. These plants tend to grow quickly and provide visible results that encourage new gardeners to keep going. There's something magical about watching a tiny seed become a thriving plant. It reminds us that growth often starts small. Understanding sunlight. Plants need sunlight just as we need food and water. Before choosing your plants, observe how much sunlight your space receives. Most vegetables need 6 to 8 hours of sunlight daily. Herbs and flowers often thrive with similar amounts. If your space receives less sunlight, don't worry. Many leafy greens and shade-loving plants can still grow successfully. Learning your environment is one of the most important lessons in gardening. Nature is constantly teaching us to pay attention. Watering the right way. One of the biggest beginner concerns is watering. Too much water can harm plants. Too little water can also cause problems. A simple rule is this: check the soil with your finger. If the top inch feels dry, it's time to water. Containers tend to dry out faster than traditional garden beds, especially during hot weather. Consistency is key. Plants appreciate regular care. And in many ways, gardening teaches us the value of showing up every day. Small actions repeated consistently create lasting results. Learning patience through gardening. Perhaps the greatest lesson container gardening teaches is patience. We live in a world that expects instant results. Fast food, fast internet, fast answers. But nature doesn't work that way. Seeds need time, roots need time, growth needs time. Every gardener learns that progress often happens beneath the surface before it becomes visible. The same is true in life. Sometimes we're growing even when we can't yet see the results. Container gardening becomes more than a hobby. It becomes a reminder that good things take time. The emotional benefits of gardening. Many people start gardening to grow food, but they stay because of how it makes them feel. Gardening can reduce stress. It can create a sense of accomplishment. It encourages mindfulness and gratitude. When you're caring for a plant, you're focused on the present moment. You notice the sunshine. You notice new leaves. You notice growth. In a noisy world filled with distractions, gardening helps us reconnect with what truly matters: life, growth, hope. Harvesting the rewards. One of the most exciting moments in container gardening is the first harvest. Maybe it's your first tomato. Maybe it's fresh basil for dinner. Maybe it's a beautiful flower blooming for the first time. That moment feels special because you helped make it happen. You planted the seed. You watered it. You cared for it. And now you're enjoying the reward. It's a powerful reminder that effort and patience often lead to beautiful outcomes. Final inspirational takeaway. Container gardening isn't really about containers, it's about possibility. It's about discovering that even the smallest spaces can produce something meaningful. It's about learning that growth doesn't require perfect conditions. It simply requires a willingness to begin. Maybe your garden starts with one pot, one herb, one flower, one seed. But that single seed can teach lessons about patience, faith, perseverance, and hope. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start gardening, consider this your sign. You don't need acres of land. You don't need expert knowledge. You just need a container, some soil, and the courage to plant something new. Because every beautiful garden starts with a single seed, and every great journey begins with a single step. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell. Plant something today and you may discover that while you're growing a garden, the garden is also growing you.